Hello kids. Today we are going to start chapter 3 of GSC. The name of the chapter is Teeth and Microbes. As you all must have seen, a newborn child has no teeth. They start getting teeth when they are about 6 or 7 months old. By the time a child is 3 years old, he or she usually has 20 teeth. This set of teeth is milk teeth or temporary teeth. When the child is about 6 years old, the milk teeth begin to fall out. New teeth grow in place of them. These new teeth are permanent teeth. By the time the child becomes an adult, he or she has 32 permanent teeth. Kinds of teeth. Inside our mouth, we have upper jaw and lower jaw. Jaw means set of bones that holds our teeth. The teeth are of different shapes because they have different uses. An adult has 4 kinds of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors, they are cutting teeth. They help us to cut and bite the food. There are 8 incisors in all. Canines, tearing teeth. They help to tear the food like meat. There are 4 canines in all. Premolars, they are crushing teeth. The premolars are the 2 teeth next to each canine. They are flat and wide. There are 8 premolars in all. Molars, grinding teeth. The molars are the 3 teeth at the back of the mouth next to the premolars. There are 12 molars in all. This is a structure of a tooth. The part of the tooth that can be seen above the gum is called as crown. The outer layer of the crown is made of a substance called enamel. It is the hardest substance in our body. Beneath the enamel is a layer of dentine. It is not as hard as enamel. The innermost portion of the tooth is called as pulp. The pulp contains blood vessels and nerves. The part of the tooth that is inside the gum is called as root. It holds the tooth firmly in place just like the root of a plant. Damage to your teeth. If we look after our permanent teeth properly, they will last a lifetime. But if we do not look after them properly, they may decay and fall out. Decay means to rot or go bad. Once permanent teeth fall out, new teeth will not grow in their place. It is therefore very important to look after our teeth. When we eat, small bits of food get stuck in our teeth. If these bits of foods are not removed, germs start growing on them. Germs produce substance called acids which harm the enamel. Small holes called cavities then form on the teeth. As germs continue to attack the teeth, the cavity becomes bigger and deeper. If a cavity reaches the pulp, the tooth starts hurting. Taking care of your teeth. Wash your mouth after every meal. Brush your teeth twice a day. This removes bits of food stuck between our teeth. Brush for at least 2 minutes. Move your brush up and down to brush the front teeth. Move it in a circle while brushing your back teeth. Avoid eating sticky chocolates and sweets. Avoid fizzy drinks because they have acids in them. They are not good for our teeth. Ask your parents to take you to a dentist periodically to check for cavities. If there are cavities, then the dentist can help you avoid further damage to your teeth. Drink plenty of milk and eat eggs and green leafy vegetables. They give you vitamin A and calcium, which is needed for strong teeth. Microbes. There are millions of tiny living things in air, water, soil, and even inside our body. They are so small that we cannot see them with our naked eyes. We need a microscope to see them. These tiny living things are called as microbes. There are 4 main kinds of microbes: bacteria, protozoa, viruses, fungi. Bacteria are found everywhere. They are the most common living things on the earth. They are of different shapes. Harmful bacteria cause diseases such as typhoid and food poisoning. They also cause tooth decay. Useful bacteria helps in decay of dead plants and animals. Some bacteria helps in making food like cheese, vinegar and yogurt. Did you know millions of bacteria lives inside our body? In our intestine, they are usually harmless. Protozoa lives in wet places and in the bodies of plants and animals. Some of them cause diseases like malaria. Viruses are the smallest of all microbes. They cause diseases like the common cold, influenza, measles, mumps, and polio. Fungi grow on dead and rotting material. They cause skin problems such as dandruff or ringworm. Some fungi are useful. Yeast is a fungus that is used in making bread. Now let us discuss what we have studied in this chapter. Humans have 2 sets of teeth during their lifetime. They are milk teeth and permanent teeth. We have incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Teeth consist of crown, which is seen outside the gum, and the root, which is present inside the gum. The 3 layers of a tooth are the hard outer enamel, the softer dentine, and the soft inner pulp containing nerves and blood vessels. Keeping our teeth clean is very important. Microbes are tiny living things that cannot be seen with naked eyes. Bacteria, protozoa, viruses, and fungi are some types of microbes. Some microbes causes diseases. They are called as germs, whereas some others are useful for us. Okay, thank you.